Aster. This is its common name. Its botanical name is Aster novae Angeliae. It grows to a height about 12 to 24 inches and it is characterized by a dense bush and light green foliage. So it requires about a lot of water and sunlight, and they are available in 4 different colors: white, red, pink and purple. Bachelor's button is its common name. Its botanical name is Centaure sinus. It grows to about 18 to 36 inches in height and it is very easy to grow and quickly forms a nice clump. It requires a lot of water in the beginning, but as it is established, it requires very less water, plenty of sunlight. They are available in 5 colors: white, red, pink, blue and purple. 4 o'clock is its common name. Its botanical name is Mirabilis jalapa. It grows to about 24 inches in height. These are very fragrant, colorful and easy to grow. They require a sufficient quantity of water and plenty of sunlight. They are available in 4 different colors: white, pink, yellow and purple. Larkspur is its common name. Its botanical name is Consolida ambigua. It grows about 1 to 5 feet in height. It is a plant which requires very less maintenance and has needle-like foliage. It requires a lot of water in the beginning and after it is established requires a little less than that, and it requires a lot of sunlight. They are available in 5 different colors: white, red, pink, purple and orange. Sunflower is its common name. Helianthus anus is its botanical name. There is no particular height that is used to describe it, but sunflowers are single stemmed plants. They always face the sun and are available in 5 different colors: red, yellow, orange, purple and olive. But the most frequently spotted color is the yellow and orange. So that was it. If you wanted a garden full of birds and insects,